If you use solvent-based products, read the product labels and look for ingredients like toluene, xylene, hexane, and other toxic solvents. Also, search for the manufacturer's safety data sheet, or SDS. You'll see the ingredients of the product and associated hazards there. If you see a version of the words chlorine, bromine, or fluorine in one of the ingredients identified on the SDS, then you may be working with a halogenated solvent. Because of the health hazards associated with halogenated solvents, you should avoid products that contain these solvents. To find safer alternatives, take a look at your whole process. Identify opportunities for improvement and weigh possible trade-offs. Once you have a complete picture of what you're using and how and why you're using it, you will begin to see opportunities for change. This could be a change either in practices or in products that result in reducing your use of toxic solvents. When looking for safer ways to clean parts or materials, ask why the toxic chemicals were needed in the first place. Follow these 5 steps to understand how and why you are using toxics. 1. Inventory the toxic chemicals and hazardous products you use. 2. Identify where in the process the toxics are used. Drawing a diagram that shows the process steps can help. 3. Consider what is being cleaned and at what point in the process it became soiled. 4. Talk with workers about how they use the chemicals and why. 5. Analyze whether you can avoid difficult to remove contaminants. An example might be changing how parts are assembled so that you do not need to use lubricants that must then be cleaned off the parts. For many applications, safer alternatives do exist. Many dry cleaners across the U.S. use professional wet cleaning in place of using perchloroethylene. Some auto repair and body shop mechanics use bio-based cleaning methods for cleaning car parts and water-based products for cleaning paint guns. Painters, furniture refinishers, and bathtub refinishers are finding safer paint-removing products on the market. Remember, choosing different products isn't your only option. Manufacturers and other small businesses can alter their process so that the contaminants are less of an issue. Find safer ways to clean parts that are unique to your situation by talking with your peers and similar businesses to learn about other products they might be using. Ask vendors about alternative products that don't contain toxic solvents. Read industry articles to learn the latest information on new products, equipment, and technologies. Use chemical or product certification programs like EPA Safer Choice or Cradle to Cradle to help determine if alternative products are safer. We'll talk more about these programs in the 4th video in this series.